Hello everybody. I wanted to make a quick YouTube video on how much money can you make as a Twitch affiliate. Now I hit Twitch affiliate on September 15th and I am 10 days in. Now I'm going to show you guys all my stats so far and to show you guys that as a small Twitch streamer you can make a decent amount of extra money. Now obviously all this money I make will go back into my stream, getting a better camera, getting a better computer chair because I sit on this all day streaming, and I've been streaming over 50 hours a week. So obviously it takes a little bit of dedication, but if you find the right game that's not too competitive and you play it often and you play it with some of the people, have them included, you can make a decent amount of money on Twitch. Now as you can see right here, I've streamed 406 hours in total, and I'm not even 200 followers yet, but I hit affiliate and I'm going to show you guys. As you guys can see, I've streamed so many hours, 406 hours since I started streaming, and it hasn't even been 60 days yet. So that's a lot of hours. Now if you go to the channel analytics, you see I made $158 US. Now in Canadian, where I live, that's almost $200. Now you can see my viewers were 1.5. They were pretty low, but as I stuck with the consistency, things have really picked up, and now I'm averaging like six or seven viewers a stream, which is really good. Now, what's the breakdown of how much money you actually make? So gifted subs, cheering, there's so many different things you can get paid for. Ads, obviously I made 47 cents from ads. It's not a lot of people watch my content. Now, I was fortunate to make this much 10 days into affiliate. But a big part of the chunk is $84 in cheering. Now, people can donate bits, which is a currency in Twitch. And you need to give people incentive to donate bits. For example, I have a 5-bit text-to-speech, which some people will troll, but you still get 5 bits out of it. Or for 100 bits, I'll do something, a certain thing. For example, yesterday on my stream, for 1,000 bits, I did a stupid dance. Now, I didn't want to do the dance, but I said if somebody donates 1,000 bits, I'll do it. I kind of said it as a joke. But giving people the incentive to donate is good. Obviously, you don't want to ask for too much. You don't want to become this person who's just in it for the money, which I'm not. I love doing what I do, which helps me make extra money. So 10 days into Twitch affiliate, $158 US. Now I'm not saying this will happen for everybody. Maybe you only make $30 from bits. But you need to set up your Twitch channel in a way to give people incentive to want to donate bits. Now I got lucky with gifted subs. I got gifted a lot of subs this month, because I have some good friends and some supportive people in my life who have helped me out with that. And a lot of them are just online friends who I met. And some people just like gifting subs to help somebody out. I don't expect my next 10 days to even go this good, or my next even 20 days to necessarily go this good. But the fact is, as a small streamer, as a new affiliate, you can make money at this. And if you guys want more details of ways I give people an incentive to want to cheer towards my channel, to want to help me out. For example, people know if you donate to my channel, it's going to go towards good. It's going to all go back into it. I'm just going to spend it on a shopping trip or something. This is going towards something. And I want to do this full time someday. So if you found this video interesting, feel free to like, comment, subscribe. And if you want to follow my Twitch channel, Twitch/TheSaucyMain, there'll be a link down below.